You know these days where you just can't be bothered? Yeah, I'm having one of them. So, I've got the slow cooker out and I'm going to do my version of a pork and beans. Let's see that. Okay, so what we have is we've got some celery, some carrots, onions. I'm going to dice all that. I've got some dried basil. We've got some marrow speed fava beans. I've got some pearl barley. I've got some cannellini beans. That'll be one less packet in the fridge then. I've also got is a ham hock. Okay. And I also have the last packet of sausages. Right, so yeah, guess we better be cracking on then. Right. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's now gone on. I'm gonna go have a brew, put my feet up, you know, watch some YouTube. And then it should be ready for when Tanya gets home.
There we go. Can't be bothered soup. Perfect for the cold spring days. Winter too, if you wanted to. And that in the oven that's going pop, that's the skin. After I took it off the hook, chopped it up and put it in here. We made it through. Now that big pot that I made will do Tanya and I for the rest of this week. And today is Monday. Okay, so we've got another 4 days of food out of that. Now we did use the sausages and the ham hock that I bought from the farm shop, and that's bumped our price up. Okay, but still, it still comes in for under a tenner when you include all the other ingredients. So to feed Tanya and I for a tenner for this week, I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm not upset with that at all. And if you are on a stricter budget and have a bigger family, use whatever sausages you can afford, use whatever meat you can afford, and just chuck it in the pot. There's no judgment here, you use what you have. Okay, that's the kind of dish that we have. The other thing that I will say is that ham hocks can be a little bit salty, So if you feel the need to counterbalance that, chuck in a spoon of sugar. Chuck in a spoon of sugar. You know, that will help balance it out. If you want to add to it, take things away, make it your own. I don't care. It's about what you've got in your cupboard and what you guys like to eat at the end of the day. So I'm gonna go that way. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, I would love if you could watch this video here and this video here, and possibly subscribe to the channel here somewhere. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I love you guys heaps. Have an awesome rest of your day. Blessing.